Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today, we are going to start lesson number 3 and friends. But before we start the lesson, let me tell you first few amazing things about ants. Students, ants are organized. Means everyone does their job so that a task gets done more quickly. They share and are never selfish. They are disciplined because they move about in order and they never cut the line and stay always busy. They work all day long. They never give up and keep trying until they overcome the obstacle. Ants are very fast. They plan ahead. They are hard workers. Ants use teamwork. Everyone works together. They stick together. They take care of each other and they help each other. These are the lessons which we have to learn from the ants. So, students, in the lesson Ant Friends, we are going to talk about a boy whose name was Tony. He played with his friends after lunch every day. But one day he wants to go to play before lunch. So he asked his mother and he went out into the garden to play. Tony loved the garden, colorful flowers, fruits on the trees. And he also loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves, and tin bucket. But that day he also found something else in the garden. A line of shiny ants marched up and down. Tony bent down and he started observing the ants. So next, what happened in this lesson? So next, what happened in this story? Let's see through this lesson. And friends. In the morning, Tony was all alone. Alone means what? Without anyone else. Alone means what? Without anyone else. It means akela. In the morning, Tony was all alone. Tony played with his friends after lunch. Every day. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. But it was only 10 in the morning now. Please, can I go out to play, mother? Said Tony. Then Tony's mother replied to Tony that, yes, you can, Tony. I will call you when it is lunchtime, said mother. So he went out into the garden to play. Tony loved the garden. Tony liked to go to the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves, and an old tin pail. What is the meaning of pail? It means bucket. It means bucket. So, students, one day Tony was sitting alone and he wants to go to play outside. So, he asked his mother and went out into the garden to play. He loved the garden and he loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves, and with the tin pail, with tin bucket. Right? But today he also found something else. But today he also found something else. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. Broken means what? टूटा हुआ. And log means what? A thick piece of wood from a tree. What is the meaning of log? A thick piece of wood from a tree. So, he saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. A line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. What is the meaning of marched? It means walked like soldiers. Walked like soldiers. Tony bent down and said, Tony bent down and said, means bent means what? Jhukna. Hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you. Student, this is the short form of I am. A-M-M. Right? The ants nodded their heads. Nodded means what? Moved their heads up and down. Moved their heads up and down. Were they glad to see him too? Students, you can see in this picture, he is Tony, and see, this is the log. This is the broken log. And a line of shiny ants marched up and down this log. Right? Tony bent down and he tried to talk with ants. And he said, hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you. And the ants nodded their heads and were they glad to see him too. Understood? So students, I hope you have understood. Next, what happened in this lesson, we will see in the next video. Till then, read the lesson carefully. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thank you.